You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these character names, as well as how to say more character names from Death Note and more manga series too. In English it's said as Light Yagami. Light Yagami. Now for reference, in Japanese it's said as Raito Yagami. Yagami Raito. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.